When it comes to protecting your home, gutters often don't get the attention they deserve. Yet, they play a vital role in keeping your roof, walls, and foundation safe from water damage. For homeowners in Clinton Township, where seasonal rains and snowy winters can put added stress on your home's exterior, investing in professional gutter installation is one of the smartest decisions you can make. Here are the top benefits you'll enjoy when you choose expert service over a DIY approach. Protecting your home's foundation. The primary purpose of gutters is to channel rainwater and melting snow away from your home's foundation. Without a proper system in place, water can pool around your house, leading to soil erosion, cracks, and even basement flooding. Professional gutter installation ensures the system is designed and positioned correctly so water is directed safely away, helping you avoid costly structural repairs in the future. Preventing roof and siding damage. Improper drainage can cause rainwater to overflow, soaking your roof's edge and siding. Over time, this moisture can lead to rot, mold, and deterioration. In Clinton Township's variable climate, this risk is especially high. Expertly installed gutters provide a seamless flow of water away from your home, protecting both your roof and siding from unnecessary wear and extending their lifespan. Customized solutions for your home. Every house is different, and gutter systems should never be one size fits all. Professional installers assess your home's roofline, landscaping, and drainage needs to design a system tailored to your property. Whether you need seamless aluminum gutters, custom downspout placement, or gutter guards to handle heavy leaf fall, professionals provide solutions that fit your home's unique requirements. Improved curb appeal. Gutters are not just functional, they also add to the appearance of your home. A sagging, rusted, or mismatched gutter system can bring down your property's curb appeal. With professional installation, you'll have access to modern materials and styles that blend seamlessly with your home's design. Fresh, well-fitted gutters give your home a polished look, which is especially beneficial if you're considering selling in the near future. Long-term cost savings. Some homeowners consider installing gutters themselves to save money, but mistakes in measurement, slope, or fastening can lead to leaks and failures. These issues often result in costly repairs down the road. Professional installation may be a higher upfront investment, but it ensures the system works properly from day one. By preventing water damage, mold remediation, and structural repairs, expert gutters save you thousands over the long term. Enhanced safety. Climbing ladders and handling long sections of gutter material is no small task. DIY installation carries risks of falls and injuries. By hiring a professional crew, you eliminate this danger and gain peace of mind knowing trained experts are handling the job with proper tools and techniques. Safety for you and your family is an often overlooked but important benefit of professional service. Maintenance made easier. Professionally installed gutters are designed for durability and ease of care. With the addition of gutter guards or screens, you can drastically reduce the time spent cleaning out leaves, twigs, and debris. In Clinton Township, where autumn foliage and winter snow can clog systems quickly, this convenience is a major plus. Less maintenance means fewer headaches and more time to enjoy your home. Increased home value. Well installed, high-quality gutters are seen as a valuable feature for potential buyers. They signal that the home has been properly cared for and protected against water-related issues. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, professional gutter installation enhances the long-term value of your property by safeguarding its structural integrity and appearance. Final thoughts for homeowners in Clinton Township. Professional gutter installation is more than just an upgrade. It's an investment in your home's safety, beauty, and longevity. From preventing foundation damage to boosting curb appeal, the benefits are wide-ranging and long-lasting. If you're ready to protect your property and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with expert craftsmanship, now is the perfect time to consider professional gutter installation.